Affordable mats. This innovation project named Affordable Mats because everyone is affordable. Other than that, this product can be kept as it is portable to use trap impurities and dust at the bottom. The design and pattern that can easy to clean and maintain. Problem and causes. No affordable mats to be used. Use plenty of time to clean and maintain the mats. Many impurities that can affect our healthy need to be removed by use effective way. No mats can be easily clean impurities, dust and maintain of. Expensive mats are used only to trap impurities. The existing mats is big and difficult to use. Research. Sanitary on account of its effectiveness and not unsightly, is a newly mats. It is can folded on a dish base so that it is convenient for storage or shipment. It is made of vinyl banner and woven with Menengah mat method. Menengah mats can trap impurities and dust at the bottom. How it's made. Novelty. New era for trap impurities and dust at the bottom mats. Designed by analysis performed on how affordable mats functioned. Originality designed. So far, our product design is no longer on the market or the world based. Designed based on our innovative and creative thinking. All the search about patents has been conducted to make sure this product is novelty. Inventiveness. Designed by analysis performed. Reduce iron and metal used as these affordable mats made from recycled vinyl banner. It is very agreeable because of the way to trap impurities and dust. It is very impressive and a lot of dirt and dust can be trapped. Can be discarded after use, really simple and friendly uses. The folding type is the real aesthetic value. Benefits/advantage, environmental/economical/country/society, benefits to environmental. A. Not use harmful materials. B. Not use metal or aluminum that no longer visible. C. These affordable mats can be modified and designed on recycled product. D. No scattered insect parts from electrocution and no hazards from chemical pesticides. E. Insecticide-free, odor-free. Benefits to country. A. Able to increase the country's economy. B. More healthy people as the impurities and dust is reduced. C. Country to be known all over the world for the creation of a new era in the affordable mats. How to implement/method of use. The impurities, dust enter the mats through small openings at the top, with a fall down by gravity. Ornamentally shaped with a Menengah mat method on top, so as to trap impurities, dust downward. The mats lay on stood upon base. Aesthetical value. A. Can make it beautiful more from the use of colors and design. B. Pattern of connection of existing shows real aesthetic value. C. The pattern design and the fold way are the aesthetic value. D. Can be applied over other material like recycled vinyl banner. Commercial potential of the invention. A. Reusable and decorative unit. B. Large capacity, versatile design and compact size. C. No moving parts and no electricity. D. Dual entry. E. Covers large areas. F. Can be floor mounted or freestanding. G. The trapping system is environmentally friendly and meets applicable guidelines. H. Users friendly and really simple. Can make it beautiful more from the use of colors.